Using YouTube gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy premium content and services on the platform. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Find your gift card code. Locate the unique code on the back of your YouTube gift card. You may need to scratch off a protective layer to reveal the code. Step 2. Sign into your YouTube account. Open the YouTube app or website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to redeem the gift card. Step 3. Access the redeem page. Navigate to the YouTube gift card redemption page. You can find this by searching for redeem gift card in the YouTube help section or directly through your account settings. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Input the code from your gift card into the provided field on the redemption page. Make sure to enter it exactly as it appears, including any dashes. Step 5. Confirm and enjoy. After entering the code, click the redeem button. Once confirmed, the balance will be added to your account, and you can start using it for purchases like YouTube Premium, movies, or channel memberships. In conclusion, redeeming a YouTube gift card is a simple process that enhances your viewing experience. Enjoy your new content.